she's a pure vegetarian. If you'll take her to KFC also, she won't eat chicken. She'll eat only that bun.
Hello and welcome back to Next Diary. As you can see in this video, the shop name is Theobroma, food of the god. Oh my god. And this shop is specially for pastries, cafe and chocolate, as well as bakery. And those who want to celebrate their birthdays, you can come here. This shop is in Pali Bhavan Road, I mean in Bandra West. Just look at these cakes, too delicious, right? And also you can try cupcakes, bakery items and also chocolates. Definitely you have to try cake, but little bit costlier than casual cakes. Special thing is like you can celebrate any kind of birthdays or any kind of parties here. I mean cake cutting parties. Table system is available.
Thank you, Paraipa.
Thank you. Thank you so much for all your wishes.
Stephanie, you like it?
Hello.
I asked you, like it?
I liked it very much. It was very beautiful. And it was surprise.
Okay. I think, what do you think?
What?
So this is our casualty emergency team. I mean only 4 members we have. Kaju, the photographer, Alvi, Kajal, and the Putni sister.
Get lost here. Have this and keep your mouth shut. എനിക്ക് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടു.
Alla. She's a pure vegetarian. If you'll take her to KFC also, she won't eat chicken. She'll eat only that bun. She will eat everything. She's so quiet girl. And she's big also. Birthday girl is a big. Hum digi hum. This is not a big surprise. This is a very small surprise. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. We are done with our celebs. So Stephanie is feeling very happy today.
I wasn't that much happy.
Okay.
Because
Yeah.
Nigda was not at all good with me.
I was not at all good. Everyone feel that I'm so
Too
bad.
much arrogant, rude.
Shut your mouth.
No, not at all. I am not going to shut my mouth.
Which movie is going on? It's okay. It's like a little bit surprise
Our
for her.
attack on the cake.
Attack. Actually, we ate nicely. Me, Kajal, and this girl also. She ate nicely. But thing is like, this girl is Pava Kochi. She didn't eat anything. One piece, only one piece. Because
my birthday,
no,
but they
because
didn't give me also. Full day only had.
അതൊക്കെ ഇത്ര വേസ്റ്റ് ആയി. Thing is like she don't want to show off, you know, like in front of video eating more things and all, and people will call you're such a foodie girl. You like the English thing. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
So after eating more cakes, no Albi's lipstick and all, it's faded away. So faded very badly. So she's applying lipstick, but she don't want to show off in the camera. It's okay, let it be.
After having, you know, like full of sweets, we felt to have some spicy things, so we were searching randomly some pizza shop. So finally we got it. That's called Mama Mia. ഒരു മനുഷ്യ കൂടെ ഇല്ല.
And this is the menu. Excuse me, darling. Keep some common sense. Don't take out their books. Okay? So today's sponsor given by, I guess.
It's not too much expensive, you know.
It's not at all. So it's not at all expensive for you. I think you can go through this. So yeah, depending on you guys are ordering through Instagram, so you can scan this and you will get variety of dishes.
I want chicken barbecue.
You guys can order. I'll be tell what you want. Anything. Anything. What? Anything. So these are the options. From there on you tell me which you want. These are some of the options we have here.
Looks nice.
Which one? Even this looks little bit
Actually,
quite good.
colorful kind of.
Colorful.
Oh, really?
Then which one?
It's chicken. Same.
Okay. You want?
Anything with little cheese.
We'll order this.
This, yeah. I want this. Chicken barbecue pizza.
First we'll order chicken barbecue pizza.
Okay.
Restaurants means obviously you have to wait for your food. Till then you can take some photos or some boomerang. So we were following the same thing. We were taking some of the photos and some of the boomerang, some of the videos also. Actually we were so hungry, but it took quite long time. What to do? We can't do anything. We have to wait for our food like a waiter. And the ambience was so good, and only few people were there, so we felt very happy because we don't want to get into a rush environment. Actually, we ate a lot of sweet. I mean, whole cake we finished on Theo Bracco shop. So we thought of let us eat some spicy things. So we ordered barbecue pizza. It was quite delicious, and it was also a spicy.
You don't know how we are struggling for YouTube. One video. Somehow I kept.
Pizza was so spicy. After that we went to a mocktail and mojito, and I don't remember that blue color from mocktail name.
എടി ആക്ച്വലി ആ കളർ ഒരു ഇതിലെടുക്കാവേ ആ മാറ്റി
ചേച്ചി ഇവിടെ പോകും അവിടെ കേണ്ടത് അത് പാടില്ല നീ എന്റെ പേര്
And once again, happy birthday to Steffi Didi. She is our senior actually, but look wise she's not a senior, I guess, because she looks like younger. No, I mean she looks so younger and so pretty. Birthday is on October 24th. We are in the same group. Unfortunately, on that day, on her birthday, there is a split duty for us. I mean, 2 members are separated with the other group and 2 members are in other group. So it's very difficult to get together. So we thought of celebrating like 2 days earlier. It was not a like, you know, much planned one, and randomly we were discussing and we were searching for some, you know, like celebration point. I mean, not celebration point, some cake shop. I guess my videos are improving. I don't know, let me know. I'm trying very hardly to improve my videos and also improve my language skill also, and sometimes it's too difficult. See, we have to enjoy our life. Just be happy with the little things, what makes you happy, okay? We just enjoyed our day. After that we thought of going to Love Mumbai, unable to sort out with the timing. That's all about today's vlog, and if you like this video, you people guys know, please subscribe and like this video, and what, just suggest me what kind of video I can do. I don't have actually much idea regarding videos and all. Randomly I'm taking vlog, and I hope you guys liked it, okay? And yes, just enjoy your day, and take your friends and go outside and just explore your life, and yeah, like be happy all the way. At the end of this video, I want to tell you people, be happy. No baby.